Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my November 2022 IPSY GLAM BAG unbagging. So this here is a monthly beauty subscription and it's supposed to be personalized, customized to each person based off of an in-depth quiz and feedback, and I'm interested to see if this will be well curated to me because I feel like especially with these IPSY GLAM bags, they're usually not really following my taste, I guess, and like my preferences. And so you do get to choose one of your products, so at least there's that. But let's go ahead and jump into it. You can tell, like, I'm not as excited about this IPSY GLAM bag as I am about other beauty subscriptions, because I do get all of the IPSY GLAM bags, all of the BoxyCharm, which I pay for all of these. I don't get them sent in PR or anything like that. But so if you like those types of unboxings, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I did already get my BoxyCharm premium box, so that video is up here on my channel, but waiting for my other IPSY, I think it's the Glam Bag X, and my other BoxyCharm base box. So let's go ahead and jump into this here. The bag is very cute and stylish. Let's see if I got product information. Oh good, I did get product information. I feel like last month I don't think I did. But okay, everything fit in the glam bag this month, like in the actual makeup bag, so let's see what's in here. Ooh, okay, first I've got from Benefit, which is a brand that I really like, their Real Magnet Powerful Lifting and Lengthening Mascara. I love to try out mascaras, and I feel like I've definitely tried out Benefit mascaras that I love, like the Roller Lash Mascara I love, so I'm excited to try this out. Oh my gosh, and the picture looks very impressive. I just love trying out mascaras. I'm so picky about my mascaras. So of course this is a sample size. The full size retails for $27. So yeah, Benefit Cosmetics is on the pricier end. So I'm excited that I get to try this out for a pretty good deal in the IPSY GLAM bag. Another thing is you're supposed to get 5 new products valued at least $50. And I just feel like I'm never even close to that amount of value. But okay, let's see what's next. Okay, this is from the brand Formula Z, which I think I've gotten a palette or products in IPSY from this brand before, but I'm not too familiar with it. And this looks like a nice blush. It's called Mini Blush Class Act. Oh wow, the full size of the blush is $32. I didn't realize this is such an expensive brand. But I do love blush as well. I'm not sure how great this shade is going to look on me, but I'm just excited to be pulling out makeup products so far. Next, oh my gosh, I feel like I get products from this brand that look exactly like this so often. It's from the brand Goldfaden MD, which is a nice expensive skincare brand. And this is Fresh A Peel Multi-Acid Resurfacing Peel. I've never actually really done a peel before, so seems kind of like it would be like a mask. This refreshing lactic acid and multi-fruit enzyme exfoliating facial peel removes dead surface skin cells to reveal brighter, fresher, healthier looking skin. So it sounds nice. Like, I'll give this a try, but I've given so much feedback in my IPSY quiz reviews that I don't want skincare. So that's an example of where I feel like it's just not really well curated to me. But that does sound like a nice product. Yeah, the full size retails for $85. But so far, all small samples. So how am I even going to get to that $50 value? I just feel like that is so unrealistic with the IPSY GLAM bags that I seem to get. Oh my gosh, like another teeny sample. This is from the brand Biro, which is another nice, expensive skincare brand. And this is Pear Serum Oil. So yeah, the full size of this retails for $65. But same thing here. It's a skincare product that I've given so many times the review that I don't want serums. And then lastly, from Marc Anthony Coconut and Shea Hydrating Leave-In Conditioner. So it's not a makeup product. Hair care, I guess, is nice. Like, I have my hair right now air drying with a leave-in conditioner, so I do get use out of these. This is actually at least a nice sample size, but I feel like I've gotten this product, or at least products so similar to this, like a bunch of Marc Anthony leave-in hair products before. So this isn't very exciting for me to see either. So, wow, Marc Anthony's much more affordable than I was expecting. It says the full-size version, which is 8.45 fluid ounces. This is only 1.7. The huge full size retails for $9. Wow. Yeah, no way that this adds up to $50. Let me do a quick recap. I got the Benefit mascara, the Formula Z blush, the Gold Faden MD peel, the Marc Anthony leave-in conditioner, and the Biro serum. See, this does not seem like this would be worth $50, all of these little samples. So I'll be trying out these two makeup products in full dedicated review videos here on my YouTube channel as part of my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. And then for these products here, the skincare and the hair care, these are types of products where I'll talk about them in future empties videos, because these are the types of products I use a lot, really see how they work over time with my hair and skin. But if you've tried any of these products, please let me know in the comments down below what you think of them, and I'd love to hear what you got in your IPSY Glam Bag for the month. And so thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.